Summertime is ending, which means that it's back to school time. So for schools who are still needing those last pieces to their two-way radio system, now's the time to make those purchases. Whether it's earpieces for security, speaker mics for maintenance, or simply replacement batteries for staff and faculty, stocking up on these accessories can save some time and headache throughout the school year. Not sure exactly what you need? Feel free to reach out to us here at Two-Way Direct. We offer all major two-way radio brands, along with the accessories to work with them. Choose from a wide variety of G-Hook earpieces, D-Shell earpieces, two-wire surveillance earpiece kits, shoulder microphones, replacement batteries, multi-unit chargers, and more. Give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.